Today we're going to be playing Hot Wheels Race Off. Yeah. As you guys should know, it snowed. Well, go check if the sun's out. Uh-oh.
Very cold.
Okay, good. So yeah, if you don't know what this game is, it's just a whole bunch of Hot Wheels cars and you get to race with them. This guy's the worst guy in the world. Because he likes to flip over all the time. He's stupid. Sorry, I have to do something every time. A lot.
Yay! They're out.
Dang it, I died. This one's like so hard. I just wanted to do a video of me trying to collect coins. So I have to keep doing this. It's just this game's a little glitchy for me, just a little. Have to do this a lot. Finally got past this part. Well, I've got to this part once, it's just so hard. I just don't like this car. This is me right here, this pink one. I might have to delete this game once, because so let's do a different game. Wait, where's his crown? His YouTube crown?
Where is his YouTube channel? It's right. Hey, you can't steal a YouTube channel. Yeah, I can. Poor little buddy. My cousin. Yeah,
Shumagala bum bum. Shumagala. Shumagala bum bum. I want you to subscribe and be nice. Subscribe so I can play my awesome guitar. Yeah. Yeah, I just want to play it, but I'm not going to play it till you subscribe. Come on, start. Sing it. Sing your song. Are you saying Deb? Yay! My sticker. Oh, here it is.
I need. Okay, everyone sit down. Everybody, you can keep your costume.
What's this? Welcome to your Composer Island. On this island, you will take up the mantle of the monster handler and teach the monsters new songs. Let's show you how. Compose. This is unplanned. Here's where the magic happens. Tap anywhere on the staff to add note. Repress the monster's egg and tap again to remove. Swipe left and I don't know how to do that. Can I add an egg? Yay! There we go. Let's do this. Here, go.
Somebody help! My dad's in jail!
Done. Save.
My little brother.
Save.
Hey, back there.
Here it goes. Do you play songs? Well, it's so close to, you know. What? That might be the end of today's video. Say goodbye, little piggies. Bye.